Hi guys, today I bought a new product. It's a portable air conditioner. I bought it from Blue Star. It is like 1 ton, which is actually fit for bachelor rooms. Actually, it is my room. Actually, I was a bachelor. I purchased this product. If I purchase the split AC, it should be installed. It is the portable. We can take it everywhere, wherever we want, and cooling whatever. And now what I can say, like you people have like so many doubts, like it is a very small one, like cooling effect will be there or not. But for sure, the cooling effect is so good. And I bought this product for 30,000 bucks yesterday only. And see how much and the model, each and everything is there. Blue Star air conditioner portable type. Model number BPCPAC12DA. Volt tag 230. Rated frequency 50 Hz. Phase 1. And cooling capacity is 3200 W. It was working very good. If anyone want to purchase this product from Blue Star in budget, actually you can get this product like 30,000. It is the cheap and best and a good deal. And don't worry about the cooling effect. My room is very small. See how much this small room, and it won't. I think it won't sufficient for the big rooms. For small rooms and bachelor rooms, it will be sufficient. And this one is like 32 kgs. We can lift it off, and it has wheels. We can move it wherever we want. We can move it like this. See. Guys, if you want to purchase this product, sure, I recommend you to buy this product. And it was 2 days old, and I will give you the review how much electricity bill it was coming. I think it will be low only. I am thinking like that. We won't get much price. Current bill won't get much price. I think it will be in my budget. I am thinking. Guys, I'm doing with my mobile phone. I don't have any GoPros, or else I don't have any DSLRs. I don't have like big camera mobiles for the clarity. Thank you guys. Bye.